Hi everyone, welcome to Jensen DIY. So your toilet's plugged. Plunger didn't work. Looks like that. The water keeps raising up when you try and flush it. Yeah, so the first thing you want to check if your toilet's plugged is just check that your sink and your shower or your tub in that same bathroom drain well. If they don't drain well, then the block could be further past the toilet itself. So that's a good thing to do, is just run your bathroom basin for a while, run your tub or your shower for a little while beforehand, just to make sure. Most of the time, if you go to flush the toilet and the water level starts rising in the toilet, it's in the P-trap inside. Every fixture has a P-trap. That U thing underneath your sink, that's the P-trap. It holds water so that the sewer gases don't get by and smell up your house. That has a tendency to get plugged once in a while if too much, we'll call it debris, is going down there. Okay, so this one is doing that, and we're gonna unclog it with the auger. If a plunger doesn't work, then if you do have another bathroom in your house and wait a little while, sometimes if you let it sit overnight, or say for 8 or 10, 12 hours, and you can give the toilet a test flush and see if that's gonna flush down. If you're looking to get it done sooner than later and the plunger doesn't work, then you wanna use an auger, like I'm about to show you here. Okay, so here's your toilet auger. Okay, this is a good quality one. You can get them at Home Depot for cheaper if you're a homeowner just looking to do it once in a while. But if you're unclogging a lot of toilets, you want to get a good quality one. Okay, this part here is what keeps the toilet porcelain from getting scratched. That's the only part that should touch the toilet. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have gloves on, and you want to pull on the handle, and it pulls this cable up into this solid part. So it ends up looking like that. Okay, and then we're going to slowly put this down into the bottom of the toilet, carefully not to scratch the toilet, and this is the part that touches the toilet. Okay, so we're going to slowly take this and just put it down in there and gently push that so just the orange plastic part touches. And then it just kind of leans back like that. And you want to just push on that handle, push downwards on the handle, and it'll go forward a couple inches. And then you want to just start spinning that handle. And the auger will start feeding through the trap. You spin it all the way down until the handle gets to the very end. Now the auger's going through the trapway of the toilet. See, the water's going down. So that's through the trapway now. The water level's gone down. So we want to pull back on this handle. Take that out gently. Take it off. Put it down onto a drop cloth. And then give the toilet a flush. And there it goes. No scratching in the bowl. And that's how you use an auger. I hope this helped you. I know it's a dirty job, but sometimes it's got to be done. Good luck if you're in this situation. Thanks for watching.